Hey friends, in today's video, I will show you 5 insane AI tools that can help you take from this to this, help you create stunning assets like this one, or perhaps help you create amazing content for your social media by repurposing content that is available online. How crazy is that? The funniest thing of all is that it will be done in less than 10 minutes and I will show you exact step-by-step on how to do so. The first tool on our list is Remedy, which will help us enhance our profile photo. I see so many freelancers that are having a poor profile photo, and I'm 100% sure that it would be much easier for them to get work if they would present themselves better, so let's see how Remedy could help you. First of all, we need to take 12 photos of ourselves to feed the algorithm, and to show you how quick it was, here is a video of me taking it. You can see that it is nothing spectacular, just some quick and dirty selfies. Next on, we go into Remedy app or web version, we select a photo library, and then I need to select photos which were taken moments ago, and it needs to be exactly 12 of them. I add this into the model, and once I'm happy with the selection, I of course select male, and now we have different options to choose from, as well as the different filters. It can go all the way from very relaxed to serious, casual, travel, whatever you can think of. As my body type is somewhere around mid to large size, I will select this one, and I really think it will suit me well. Now we need to wait 20 minutes for the first one. Not sure why is that, because the other day it only took a couple, but that's fine. I'll go and get coffee. Okay, now we are back. Here is the thing. The Remedy does come with a price, but you can take a free 3-day trial, and within that trial, apparently there is no limit to the amount of photos you can generate. However, if you are able, I recommend paying a plan. So finally, something we've been waiting on, the results. You will see that many photos won't work, but there will be some great ones like this one. By perhaps cropping the upper part and getting a square image, we can really get a professional looking photo. Considering that the first piece was really an amateur work, I'm really thrilled with the results. Next on our list is our branding, which can be used for various purposes, like a profile photo for freelancing sites, business cards, or something else. First, we go into the tool called Luca and we add our brand name and then select a category. Once that is done, we will pick several logos that we like, and I definitely like a modern style, clean typography without too many elements, so I will select those few that are best representing what I'm after. Considering that in my videos I have blue and red color, I will also choose that as my primary colors. And we go on to continue. My slogan is things that matter, so let's add all that in and let's pick some symbol types to see where that is going to take us. Now you see that there is a lot of logos that aren't great, but there are some that are truly standing out and some that could be picked out, but there are also some modern ones. I'm not crazy happy with the typography for things that matter, but I think it's perfectly fine considering that it was done in a minute. Now that we have selected our logo, we need to click here on the brand kit to get some inspiration. You will see that Luca offers many different things, but all of that is on the paid package, so let me show you a quick trick. I got some inspiration here in the brand kit for my business cards, so I will now go into Canva to try to replicate it in my own style. Once we are in Canva, we go to search and type business cards templates, and we'll select US portrait because I think that's the standard. I will now use the free graphics I got from Luca, stick them to my business cards, and then add different details about my business, like my email, my position, the URL of the business, and please don't try emailing this link because it won't work. Once that is done, we'll select the color to match our logo, even though we could have kept it black, but again, why not? The last thing that is left to do is to adjust positions, and our new business card is ready to download. 2 minutes, how crazy is that? Okay, the next thing on our list is durable to help us build our website. I must admit that I was really surprised to see the claim on their website saying that it will be done in 30 seconds, but the crazy thing, it is true. Once we are in durable, we explain what type of business it is, where it's located, what its name, and it takes like 10 to 15 seconds for AI to generate all the texts and all the imagery on your site. Once you get the notification it is ready, you can actually sign in and then modify different portions of your site. It can be anything from adjusting colors, removing or changing text or sections, regenerating stuff on the site with AI, or maybe adding testimonials. I cannot say that this is the most beautiful website I have ever seen, but it will definitely serve the purpose. Okay, we said earlier that having a social presence is super important, but I get it. You are busy, it isn't a priority, or maybe you are not a native speaker. so you aren't sure how your post will look like, right? Flick Social is magically answering all of these questions. And please stay for this one, because there are a couple of crazy features, but the craziest one will be at the very end. So the first thing that we need to do is to log into Flick and start searching for hashtags to build our strategy. I will add freelancing and I will get a list of ideas with low, medium and high competition. From the main page, we can go into the generative feature, click brainstorm ideas, and then again add freelancing. The tool will give us some very nice topics which can be added into the planner, and once we are happy with it, it will actually assemble the whole post for us. We can see what we like and what we don't like and then add it to our ideas. Of course, there is a scheduler, analytics and resources which always publish interesting articles to keep us in the loop with the new features. But now, something we've been waiting on. We got into the repurpose section. We will Google a list of articles with 5 freelancing trends in 2023. We will feed that link and it will repurpose the whole content for us in chunks for our Instagram or Twitter carousels or any other social purpose. And it is absolutely mind-blowing how well it works. We add all of these ideas and wait for the tool to craft our post. Once that is done, we get an actual well-thought-out post and we can adjust the parameters, rewrite it, adjust tone, length, or even improve it with AI. I'm not kidding, the future is here. And last on our list is a tool called Humantic. I won't show this tool on my screen because of customer data, but I was really mind blown once I found it. It's crazy easy to use and there are 2 features that are important for us. One feature is revenue, which lets you handpick organizations, and then the AI helps us understand who are the key decision makers. It lets us personalize our messaging and, as they say, accelerate the deal closing. Other is even more impressive, and that is the personality AI. By integrating into emails, LinkedIn, calendar, and other tools, it quickly scans and analyzes the type of person you're reaching out to and provides you with their big 5 personality, disc profile, and behavioral work sections. With this, you can hyper-personalize your messaging and know that your pitch will be a lot more effective, because now you can say the words that the decision makers will want to hear. That's good, right? So guys, I promise that this channel will be packed with massive amount of value, so if you like this, please help me spread it further. Have an amazing day, and like always, see you in the next one.